Hi, and welcome back to our channel.
Hi, today my mom's doing my hair.
How do you feel about it?
Happy?
Yeah?
Yeah. And sad. I don't feel sad.
Do you want to come and tell everyone what you did with your hair yesterday after I did it?
When
I
mommy...
can't get in there. There you go.
Yesterday, mommy did my hair, and when she was gone, I put some stuff in my hair and made it beautiful. Back to me.
So as always, we start by figuring out what we're working with. As you can see, she's pretty tangled. After undoing the twists, I went right in with the leave-in conditioner to get moisture in right away. Added more moisture with wetting the hair, and then another layer of leave-in conditioner as I work through the tangles. Getting moisture in as soon as possible is key when the tangles are this bad. And if you're wondering how this happens, it's because her curls were left loose and then she sleeps and takes her satin scarf off, and so things get tangled over time. So working through with the wide tooth comb helps break these apart, but you really have to do it in small sections because it takes a lot of patience to be able to work through these and also make it as pain-free as possible. Pulling out tangles can yank a little bit, and so I like to take small sections. And I make it a point to start at the bottom and work my way up to reduce damage. It usually doesn't take this long to detangle, but after an hour in, we were finally done. To prevent this from happening, I am going to section the hair out into threes across the head and then put in box braids in the hopes of protecting the hair, retaining moisture, and keeping it tangle free. Once sectioned out, I do like to apply a gel, this time a curls defining gel. This helps moisturize and keep definition even inside of the braids and holds it longer. For the bottom section, I'm just splitting the hair into two and putting 2 box braids, braiding all the way to the bottom and then tying it off at the end. As you can see, her hair is very long, and so you will see that the hair wraps over my hand sometimes as I work to keep it detangled as I'm braiding. I definitely do not want to braid in the tangles. Detangling before starting the braid is also important to ensure that the hair is smooth. This also helps it stay neat and tidy as the style continues. After that section is complete, I section out another portion across the head and then start making braids. It is important to note that I overlap or offset the braids so that they are not directly stacked above the ones below. This helps it remain neater and doesn't make the braid bump out over the one below it. And the geometrical design also looks really cool. For the section at the top, I like to do a side part so that the braids can lay to one or the other side. Here is the finished product. She has long, fine, silky hair, so braiding it can be a challenge because it can be very slippery, but this look holds well in her hair.
It's been 2 hours before mommy been done, but now we're finally done. And now we can go play outside. Bye! Bye! My turn.
I hope you liked this video, so give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.